Hey my crafty friends, this is Terry Marcus at the Yaya Collection, and I wanted to come on here real quick and tell you what I got at a new company I discovered, and it's called the Scrapbook Supply Company. So I bought some things from them that I was having trouble finding. I had an order for some Hanukkah things, and they had some clearance. So this I bought on clearance. 10 of these bottle caps. They had them in white and they had them in gold. I think they had them in red. 10 cents for a pack of 10. So I grabbed them. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I couldn't pass it up. And then these are laser cut Star of Davids. And I got these. And then these are, I got 3 of those. And I got these menorahs. Like I said, I have a new customer that needed some things for a synagogue. So this is the Zots, the little clear that give you, they have a little bit of cushion to pop things up. So if you've got something that you can't use the white ones with, these are good. And these were on clearance. And I honestly can't remember what they were. But I got this paper. This is, I think, no, I thought it was photo play. But anyway, this has all, like the dreidel song and the Mogen David and different words about Hanukkah. So I got some sheets of that. Then I went ahead thinking that if they're going to use me to do some things, this will be coming up in the spring, is bar mitzvahs. So I got it in pink and in blue, and I think that was on clearance. And then this is some more paper for the synagogue. It has little Mogen Davids on it, and then on the back it says Happy Hanukkah all over it. It's kind of monochromatic. So I thought that would be good for cards or backgrounds or some things like that. And then I got this because, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of tone on tone. It looks like what ice looks like to me on windows. And then this is ice skates. So I got it more for this side, that it gives me some blue paper that has some shades in it. So anyway, it came really quick. I ordered it, I want to say Wednesday or Thursday last week, and I got it, well, it says the 29th, and this is October 2nd, but it came here, I think, on the 1st. So it came really quick. It was packaged. It's called Scrapbook Supply, and it's in Mount Vernon, Missouri, and I'll post a link to them below. And you might go to their website and try them out for some things. They had lots of papers and different categories that, like these, I haven't seen anywhere that they're that cheap, a penny a piece, without buying them in huge bulk packages. So anyway, thanks for stopping in with the Yaya Collection. I hope everybody's doing well. This is Friday. And so I hope you have a good weekend coming up. It's beautiful, cool weather, and I'm looking forward to a beautiful weekend. So wishing you all the same. Thanks.